everyone and welcome back to our channel. So the question that we are going to solve today is from paper 32 of 2022 and the question is question number 9. So let's see what the question states. The question basically asks us to find the solution of a differential equation. The equation is x plus 1 into 3x plus 1 dy over dx equal to y. So at first we will start by using method of separable variable in which we move the terms of x on one side of the equation and the terms of y on one side of the equation. So what we will do is move the y here and the x components here. So dx is in numerator. So dy was here and we move 1 over y here. Since it was y there, it would be divided here as we cross multiply. Similarly, these would go in fractions x plus 1 over x plus, sorry, 3x plus 1 3x plus 1 dx. Okay. Now it is very easy to integrate this part because we have the derivative of y would be 1. So we have the derivative in the numerator and function in the denominator. So this integral of this yields to ln fy. So it will be ln y. So left hand side is easy. However, on the right hand side we have an improper fraction. So whenever we have an improper fraction, there are only two methods that we use. First is to use the partial fraction method, and second is to divide it and find the quotient and remainder. So since we can use the partial fraction here, so we'll go for that. So 1 over x plus 1 into 3x plus 1 would be equal to a over x plus 1 plus b over 3x plus 1. So I just moved it to create some space. Okay, and I will change the color so you can keep track of where we are moving the equation. Okay, so next part would be coming from here. So now what I will do is multiply this whole equation by x plus 1 into 3x plus 1 so that I can get a linear equation. Okay, so when I multiply x plus 1, 3x plus 1 here, I get 1. When I multiply a over x plus 1 with x plus 1 and 3x plus 1, x plus 1 gets cancelled out and it gets multiplied by 3x plus 1. So this becomes this. Similarly, for b, 3x plus 1 cancels out and x plus 1 is what remains in numerator. So now I have to think of a value for x which will make b go to 0. It could be, let x equal to minus 1. Since minus 1 plus 1 would be 0. So b would become 0 and we will get a value of a. At minus 1, 3x, 3x, 3 into minus 1 would become minus 3 plus 1 would be minus 2. So this would be minus 2. So a would be minus 1 over 2. Minus 1 over 2. Similarly for b, I would have to make a go to 0. So this bracket should turn to 0 and this would turn minus 1 over 3 at a value of x minus 1 over 3 because minus 1 over 3 multiplied by 3 would be minus 1 plus 1 would become 0. So let x equal to minus 1 over 3. Here a would become 0 while b minus 1 over 3 plus 1 minus 1 over 3 plus 3 over 3 taking LCM, so it would be equal to 2 over 3. 2 over 3 B. So B would become 3 over 2. So these are the values that we have found. Now putting it back into the OG equation, we will get A over, sorry, A over, the value of A is minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 x plus 1 plus 3 over 2 3x plus 1. So we have transformed this equation into this equation. Now we can integrate it since we only have one denominator and one numerator. One denominator for each of these two expressions, so we can easily integrate it. I will show you how. Using the same rule, let's see minus 1 over 2 here, 1 divided by x plus 1. So the derivative of x plus 1 would also be equal to 1. So we can use the ln form for this one. And the derivative of 3x plus 1 would be equal to 3. So we have 3 already on the numerator, so we can use ln rule for this one as well. Now we will get the integrals minus 1 over 2 ln x plus 1 plus 1 over 2 ln 3x plus 1. So also we can add the constant of integration, which should be ln c, since all the remaining values are in terms of ln. So now creating space again. Okay, so now we have ln y on left hand side, and since I have minus 1 over 2 multiplied by ln, I know that a ln b equals to ln of b power a. So I can transform these equations as ln x plus 1 power minus 1 over 2 plus ln 3x plus 1 power 1 over 2 plus ln c. Also, we know that ln a plus ln b equals to ln a into b. So this could further be transformed into ln, since it's x power minus 1 over 2, we know that this should go in the denominator. Ln 3x plus 1 all to the power 1 over 2 represents under root. So we can write this like this under root plus ln c. Now multiplying the whole equation by exponent, we will get exponent into ln equal to 1. So we will remove ln through this. Y equal to under root 3x plus 1 divided by under root x plus 1 plus c. So this is basically the equation of our solution. Now we need to see what boundary conditions are present for this equation. It says acha, x is 1 when y is 1. So for now what we'll do is we will put value of x equal to 1 here and value of y equal to 1 here and find out a value of c. So I will show you how that can be done, but I have to create space before that.